In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use Query Builder or DB package in your Laravel project to create, update or delete data from the database table. So to start the tutorial, you have to create a new Laravel project and make database connection properly with your database. I have already created the database Laravel, which is blank now. Now I can start the steps of this tutorial. First of all, I will create a table where the CRUD operation will be applied by using Query Builder. So, create this migration file by using migration command from the project folder. Okay, our migration file is created, and open the project folder from any editor. So my project folder name is Laravel Query. Okay. Now check the migration file is created or not. And this is our migration file. And it is created the default schema of client table. Now I will change the schema of this table. From this step, just copy the schema part from here and just replace this one. Okay, it will create the fields ID, name, email address and timestamps. Okay, save the file and go over the next step. Run the migration command to create the table in the database. So go to the project folder and run this command. So it will create other default tables also. So go to the database and check the client table is created or not. And this is our client table, and which is empty now. Now go for the next step. Create the route for inserting data into the client table. So go to the web.php file within the route and add the route information here. The data are inserted using route that will insert 3 records in the client table, and the message will be passed 3 client records are inserted. If it is happening to insert the data. And no controller is used here. You can use a controller also, like my another tutorial about elegant oil, but I have not used any controller here. So go for the next step. Before that, you have to save the file. I have already saved it. And now go for the next step and run this URL from the browser. Okay. Localhost /insert. If everything is okay, then this message will be arrived. 3 client records are inserted. Now you can check the table. Here you can see 3 values are inserted that are mentioned here. Okay, now go for the next step. Show the data from the client tables. This is added here, but you have to add it in your web.php file. So open the web.php file again and add the route here. So our route URL is show that will get all records from the client tables for this one, and it will retrieve the first record from the client table, and it will retrieve the fourth record from the client table, and it will retrieve the client information based on email address. And these are all stored in 4 variables: client list 1, client list 2, client list 3, and client list 4. Next, it is viewed in the browser. So save the file and run the before running the URL, You have to create a blade file name client blade.php, and the code is this one. And go to the view folder, which is under resource folder, resource view new file, and save the file with the name clients.blade.php. Okay, audio file is created. Next, you can check the show URL that it is working or not. So go here and type show. You can see all records are shown from here, and this is showing the first record, and this is showing the third record, and this one showing the record based on the email address. Now go for the next step, update it. So add this on the web.php file, and this will update the record where the ID value is 1 with the new value, normal value, and this is displayed in the uh, view file class. So save it and go to the next step and type update here. So now I will use the route update. You can see the first record is replaced with the value minus I. Okay. Now go with the last step of this tutorial, delete record using query builder. So add this route information in web.php. Okay, it will delete the third record from the client server and show the information. After delete, save the file and type deleting the URL. You can see third record is removed from the database. You can also check it from here. Third record is not exist there. In this way, you can use query builder and DB package to create, update, delete records from the database tables, and you can also run other integrated functions like union, sum, counts by using DB package. Thank you for watching.